Hello everyone. Today I am going to take you on a journey through the history of Ford Motor Company, one of the most iconic and influential car manufacturers in the world. Founded in 1903 by Henry Ford, the company has a rich history that has shaped the way we travel and live. In its early years, Ford focused on producing Model T, the first mass-produced automobile that made cars accessible to the average American. The Model T revolutionized the automotive industry by offering a cost-effective alternative to luxury cars, making it an instant success and setting the foundation for Ford's future growth. However, it wasn't until the 1950s and 1960s that Ford truly made its mark upon the world of automobiles. The company introduced the iconic Model T, which went on to become the best-selling car in history. During this time, Ford also made headlines with its innovative projects, such as the Mustang, which gained its fame for its aggressive styling and powerful engines. In recent years, Ford has focused on electric and autonomous vehicles, with the development of its electric Mustang Mach-E and the self-driving F-150 Lightning. These innovations showcase Ford's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in transportation. In conclusion, the history of Ford Motor Company is a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of innovation and its ability to adapt to the changing automotive landscape. From the Model T to the modern-day Ford Mach-E, the company has played a pivotal role in shaping the way we travel and live.